Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best pasta pots with strainers on the market right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium powerhouse, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Bialetti 5.5 quart non-stick aluminum pasta pot. This is the budget-friendly option on our list. Perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their pasta game without breaking the bank. The first thing you'll notice is its unique oval shape, which is designed to accommodate longer pastas like spaghetti and lasagna without the need to break them. The PFOA-free non-stick coating ensures that food doesn't stick to the bottom, making cleanup a breeze. The strainer lid is a standout feature here. It locks securely into place and has integrated holes for easy draining, so you don't need a separate colander. The stay-cool handles are a thoughtful touch, providing a firm and safe grip. However, its aluminum construction, while lightweight, isn't as durable as stainless steel. It's also not oven-safe, which could be a drawback for some users. Overall, the Bialetti is a fantastic choice for casual cooks or small households. It's affordable, functional, and easy to use. On the downside, it lacks the versatility and premium feel of higher-end models, but at $30, it gets the job done. If you're on a budget, this is a great entry-level pasta pot. Coming in at number 4 is the Oster Sankerfield 5-quart pasta pot set. This versatile 4-piece set includes a pasta pot, strainer insert, steamer insert, and a tempered glass lid. What sets this option apart is its polished stainless steel construction, which not only looks sleek, but also distributes heat evenly thanks to its encapsulated aluminum base. The tempered glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your cooking without releasing heat, and the stay-cool handles provide a secure grip. The inclusion of a steamer insert adds versatility, letting you steam vegetables or seafood alongside cooking pasta. However, it's worth noting that this pot is not compatible with induction cooktops, which could limit its appeal for some users. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve its finish. For just over $35, the Oster Sankerfield is a solid mid-tier option with added functionality. It's ideal for those who want a little more versatility in their cookware, but aren't ready to invest in premium options. The downside? It's on the smaller side and lacks some of the premium features of higher-ranked models, but it's a great deal for its price. At number 3, we have the Cookin' Home 4-piece 8-quart multipot. This pot is a step up in both capacity and versatility, making it perfect for larger families or those who love to entertain. The 8-quart capacity is paired with a stainless steel construction that features an aluminum disc bottom for superior heat distribution. The set includes a pasta insert, steamer insert, and a tempered glass lid with a steam vent. One of the standout features is its compatibility with a wide range of stovetops, including induction. The riveted handles are sturdy and comfortable, and the mirror-polished finish gives it a premium look. While it's dishwasher safe, its size might make it a bit cumbersome to clean in smaller dishwashers. At 6 pounds, it's also heavier than some of the other options, but that's a trade-off for its durability. This pot offers excellent value for its price. It's a great choice for those who need a larger capacity and want the flexibility to cook a variety of dishes. The only downsides are its weight and slightly higher price point compared to smaller models. But it's a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks. Our runner-up is the Cuisinart 766S22 6-quart pasta pot with straining cover. This model combines practicality with premium design, featuring stainless steel construction and a straining lid that eliminates the need for a separate colander. The lid locks securely in place, making draining both easy and mess-free. This pot is oven-safe and features measurement markings inside, which are incredibly useful for precise cooking. At just over 3 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle. The stainless steel finish is both attractive and durable, but keep in mind that it requires regular maintenance to keep it looking shiny. While it's dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve its finish over time. This Cuisinart pot is ideal for those who want a straightforward, high-quality pasta pot without too many bells and whistles. Its price point is higher than some of the other options, but it delivers excellent performance and durability, making it a great long-term investment. Taking the top spot is the Cuisinart 4-piece cookware set, 12 quarts. This is the premium option on our list, and it's worth every penny for serious cooks. With a massive 12-quart capacity, it's perfect for large gatherings or meal prepping. The set includes a stock pot, pasta insert, steamer insert, and a tight-fitting lid that locks in flavor and nutrients. The stainless steel construction with an aluminum encapsulated base ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. The cool grip handles are riveted for extra durability, and the tapered rim allows for drip-free pouring. This pot is oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile for a variety of cooking techniques. At $119.95, this set is an investment, but it's hard to beat in terms of capacity, durability, and performance. It's ideal for avid home chefs or anyone who frequently cooks for a crowd. The only downside is its size and weight, which might be overkill for smaller households. But if you want the best of the best, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth comparison of the top 5 pasta pots with strainers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments which pasta pot you're leaning toward, or if you have any questions about these products. See you in the next video.